everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in a textured overlay on over your videos on CapCut PC. So you can use overlays or you can use the effects. Later on I'll show you, but basically I'm just going to add in a picture of a textured paper. You can also do it with plastic as well, just something textured. You can find these on Google, but you are going to basically select the overlay, go to blend mode and choose the one that suits the video the most. I don't think you can really see it because of the color of the background, so let me find something that is lighter, like this pink background for instance. You can also use videos under it. But as you can see, turn the color of the paper pink. This one as well. So just choose one that you like the best on the overlay. I like this one quite a bit. You can also use it from effects, so go to effects, go to video effects, and find the texture effects as well. And you can add in these textures, which they already have here, as you can see, and it turns like a basic video. Let me just use an actual video, and it will have like textures on the videos. As you can see, turns it into like a paper or like a plastic. But that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!